Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore top-tier tools and products to make your life easier. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best 25 FT pressure washer hose on the market, the Twinkle Start 25 FT pressure washer hose. Let's dive right in and see what makes this product stand out from the rest. At first glance, the Twinkle Start 25 FT hose already sets itself apart with a high-tensile wire-braided design. This isn't your ordinary hose, it's built with durability in mind. The inner tubing is reinforced with synthetic rubber, wrapped in layers of rugged construction, including a steel wire braid and a strong rubber shell. The result? A product that's made to handle tough jobs without cracking under pressure. Speaking of pressure, let's talk performance. This hose supports a maximum working pressure of up to 4,000 psi. That's right, 4,000 pounds per square inch. That's industrial-grade power in a 25-foot format. Whether you're blasting away dirt on a driveway, rinsing mud from an ATV, or deep cleaning your home siding, this hose is designed to take on tough tasks with ease. But the power doesn't stop there. The hose also supports a burst pressure of up to 16,000 psi. That's an incredibly high threshold that ensures added safety during intense operations. It can handle water temperatures up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit and a flow rate ranging from 2.5 to 5 gallons per minute, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. One of the standout features is the Quick Connect system. This hose is equipped with a 3/8-inch Quick Connect female socket on one end and a stainless steel plug on the other. These fittings aren't just about speed, they provide a leak-proof, rust-resistant connection that's simple to engage and disengage. If you've dealt with traditional fittings, you know how frustrating they can be. This setup eliminates that hassle completely. It's also designed with versatility in mind. You can use it for everything from cleaning windows and floors to washing cars, motorcycles, driveways, swimming pools, and even roofs. And because it's compatible with most pressure washer models, it's a highly flexible upgrade or extension to your existing setup. Just keep in mind, this is a pressure washer hose, not a garden hose. That distinction is important because it's designed to handle high pressure, not typical water flow for plants or lawn care. When it comes to construction, performance, and convenience, the Twinkle Start 25 FT pressure washer hose ticks all the right boxes. With a rugged build, high pressure rating, and easy-to-use Quick Connect system, it's ideal for homeowners and professionals alike who need reliable, heavy-duty cleaning power. If you're in the market for a pressure washer hose that delivers professional results and lasts longer than cheaper alternatives, the Twinkle Start 25 FT model is absolutely worth your consideration. It's tough, powerful, and thoughtfully designed for real-world use. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a deep dive into your next favorite product. See you in the next one.